In this video, we will unbox the Traxxas TRX-4 2021 Ford Bronco. The packaging includes a cardboard box covered by detailed views and information. This 2021 Ford Bronco is an RTR RC scale and trail crawler. The Bronco is based off the Traxxas TRX-4 chassis. Here are additional views of the packaging. The Traxxas model number is 92076-4. Recently, I've been wanting to get back into RC crawlers. Having to start from scratch again, I decided on the Ford Bronco because it was available at a local retailer. This return to RC includes a lot of firsts. This is my first RTR or ready to run. I usually buy kits that you can build. This will be my first Traxxas RC ever. And this will also be my first scale crawler. That means that although it's a crawler, it has the body detail of a scale model. As you would expect, there's foam packing on the inside of the box. I got lucky by opening the side with the radio transmitter or controller for the RC. The transmitter is a TQI model and will require 4 AA batteries that are not included. The transmitter is Traxxas branded and works on a 2.4 GHz frequency. Since this is an RTR, the transmitter is pre-programmed. The transmitter also includes extra switches for the features working on this truck. We'll set the transmitter to the side for now while we remove the foam packing. Some of the extra features controlled from this transmitter include a high-low transmission and remote locking differentials. Again, this was a lucky side because now I can see the front of the 2021 Ford Bronco. Let's slide the Bronco out from the box. The crawler comes packed with a few tools and documentation. Here we have the tools included. Here are the Traxxas decals. Here is documentation with a parts list and diagrams. Here is the warranty information. Here is the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide is the included instruction manual. With just the Bronco in view, we can see that this is the Oxford white color body with a black roof. We can see the multiple layers of plastic wrap to help protect the body. We will now remove the first plastic layer. We will remove the second plastic layer at the top of the roof. Next, we will remove the second plastic layer over the winch on the front bumper. This 2021 Ford Bronco body is officially licensed from the Ford Motor Company. I'll rotate it to show how it looks from different sides. I really like the detail of this body. I'm gonna run it so it'll likely never look as good as it does when it first was unboxed. Like a real truck, these mirrors are folded in for storage and parking. Let's get them in the proper position. Here's a closer view of the driver's mirror. The mirrors also have a reflective sticker on them. The tires are pre-mounted Canyon Trail tires with foam inserts. The wheels are 1.9-inch replicas of the Bronco Wildtrak wheels. In this view, we can see the aluminum oil-filled coil-over shock. These shocks are adjustable. Also in this view, we can see a tab which locks and unlocks the clipless body. We'll demonstrate how this works. There are 4 tabs total, 1 on each of the fenders. We will unlock the 2 tabs at the rear of the body. Now we will unlock the 2 front tabs. With the body removed, we have easy access to the Bronco running gear. We'll remove the safety information from the battery cable. Now we can turn the chassis to get a better view of the parts. We can see the Titan 21-turn motor. Here are mini servers for the front and rear remote locking differentials. This is the location of the receiver and antenna. Here is the steering servo with a metal gear. Here is the electronic speed control or ESC. Here is a mini servo for remote transmission shifting. This is the battery compartment. Now we can see the detail of the body. As seen, the windows are dark, but you can see through them when looking closely. We can also see the windshield wipers, which are made of a flexible material. This Bronco has a nice front end with very detailed headlights and grille. While looking underneath the body, we can see that it has a lot of hardware to make it rigid. This includes crossmember pieces for the tabs. So if the tabs break, you should be able to order a new crossmember piece without having to replace the entire body. There's also a rear crossmember piece which looks like the same body part. Here's the hardware that secures the fender flares. We can see the hardware installed to support the rear spare tire. The body includes a true spare tire. While looking closer, we can see the Ford logo. Along with the door handles, there's also a handle for the rear hatch. In this view, we can see the Bronco logo with detailed tail lenses. Now we will reinstall the body on the chassis. As you can see, when the body is locked on all four corners, it's able to lift the suspension of the truck. From the bottom, you can also see the differentials, drive shafts, and suspension. I can't say how much I'm really surprised by the level of detail in the body of this 110 RC crawler. Thanks for unboxing the Traxxas TRX-4 2021 Ford Bronco with me. I look forward to preparing the Bronco for the first test run. If you haven't yet, subscribe now. Comments and likes are also welcomed. Thank you for watching.